All right, we're continuing our Best in the Bronx series here. We're opening up a first floor apartment, coming into a vestibule hallway with a walk-in floor-to-ceiling closet there. That's my coat and bag. It doesn't come with the apartment. And we're going to pan around and see some really beautiful hardwood floors here. This is an open kitchen living room. Again, more closet space here, floor to ceiling. You've got some beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, some really nice kitchen cabinets, two really oversized windows here. I'm going to come down and take a look at these beautiful hardwood floors, pan back around. That's the entrance that we just walked through. We're going to continue the tour to another hallway. You've got your bathroom, beautiful subway tiled bathroom here, separating the living room kitchen from the bedroom. Your bedroom can easily fit a queen size bed. Let me walk around and pan back around for you here. And another closet. That makes a total of 3 closets here. Again, floor to ceiling with a lot of storage space above. And we'll go back to where we started. This is the Best of the Bronx. This is the first floor. It's a walk-up building, but no walk-up for you. It's a great price, reduced broker fee. We give a free pizza with Domino's Pizza to every approved lease signing. Come on down, let's make a deal. See if we can find you your new home.